Welcome. If you've ever been browsing the web on your phone using Chrome and noticed that some websites keep zooming in even when you don't want them to, today's guide will help you fix that. I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to take to disable the Force Zoom feature on all websites in Chrome Mobile. It's simple, quick, and once you set it up, you won't have to worry about pages enlarging unexpectedly again. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. This is the browser most Android users have by default, and chances are it's already sitting on your home screen or app drawer. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right-hand corner. You'll see the familiar three dots icon. Go ahead and tap on that. From the menu that appears, scroll down and choose Settings. This will take you into Chrome's customization options, where you can control how the browser behaves on your device. In the Settings menu, keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Accessibility. It's usually a little further down, so take your time until you see it, and then tap to open it. Inside the Accessibility section, you'll see a toggle called Force Enable Zoom. This is the feature that allows Chrome to override a website's instructions and let you zoom in or out regardless of how that site was designed. While this can be useful for accessibility in some cases, it can also be annoying if you just want your screen to stay put without constantly resizing itself. To disable this function, simply turn the toggle off. Once you've done that, the change is applied instantly. No need to restart your browser. From now on, websites will display exactly as they were intended, without Chrome forcing zoom when it's not needed. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've taken full control over how Chrome handles zooming on your mobile device. This small adjustment can make your browsing experience much smoother and more consistent. If you found this walkthrough helpful, take a moment to apply it right now so you can enjoy distraction-free browsing. Thanks for watching.